Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to win sneakers draw using a PC. Let's get started. Open a browser and go to sneakers website and make sure you are logged into your account. Before the draw, add your shipment address, add a payment method and make sure your name and info are correct. If your account isn't ready, you might miss your chance. Nike rewards real users, not bots. On your PC, browse upcoming drops, like sneakers you actually like, watch product videos, and read sneakers stories. This shows Nike you are a genuine sneaker fan. Even if you lose, keep entering. Nike tracks long-term activities, so enter draws regularly. Don't give up after a few losses. Many people win after a week or months of trying. When the draw opens, click enter draw, choose your size, submit your entry. You don't need to rush. Sharing early or late gives the same chance as long as you enter within the time window. Do not use bots, use multiple accounts or fake info. Nike can detect this and it will lower your chances or blocks you completely. After the draw closes, if you win, your card is charged and the shoes ship. If you lose, nothing happens. You will see the result on sneakers or by email. And that's it. That's a simple and honest explanation of how to improve your chance of winning or sneakers draw using a PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.